Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crystal chemistry with the National Geographic Mega Crystal Growing Kit for Kids, designed for young scientists aged 8 to 12. This incredible kit lets you grow 8 vibrant crystals in colors like blue, pink, red, purple, green, orange, yellow, and even glow in the dark, all in just 3 to 4 days. With easy-to-follow instructions and 2 silicone growing chambers, creating your own crystal masterpieces has never been simpler. Once your crystals are ready, showcase up to 5 of your favorites on the USB-powered light-up display, turning your room into a dazzling night light. Plus, this kit includes 5 real gemstone specimens: quartz, rose quartz, fluorite, calcite, and amethyst, along with a full-color learning guide to expand your rock collection and knowledge. Perfect for both boys and girls, this STEM activity kit is a fantastic way to inspire a lifelong love of science and learning. And remember, National Geographic is committed to providing high-quality educational toys backed by exceptional service, ensuring your crystal-growing adventure is nothing short of stellar. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.